boys and girls, are you ready for math? Okay, well, I thought it would be cool today if we did a little bit of snack math. If you're like me, you've probably been snacking a little bit during your time at home. And so that got me thinking. One of my girls went to get a little bag of these little Pop-Tarts. So little bitty mini Pop-Tarts. And we were feeling around and I said, guess how many are in there? And so we were trying to take a good guess and feeling around. It felt like there may be 5 or 6 maybe in this little bitty bag. And so I thought, what if we make a guess about how many are in the bag, dump them out and count them, and think about that number. And then we're gonna use the number in there to take it apart and put it together. And I'm gonna teach you another hide game that you can play today, okay? So you can play this with any of your snacks, any of your little cookie bags, or you can just pretend to have a snack and get you some kind of little bag that you can put some objects in, whether it's pennies or leaves or cubes or anything that you use to count with. All right, so you ready? Okay, so right now I want you to think about this little bag, or there's my hand. It's a small bag. So let's think about how many are in there. I can't fill them all. You want to take a guess? Make a prediction? What? We're going to estimate about how many do you think are in the bag? Let's just say maybe, you said 5, 10, 6. Let's write down 6 and we're going to check it out, okay? If you think it's more than 6, give me a thumbs up. If you think it's less than 6, if it's a smaller number than 6, give me a thumbs up. Okay, you ready to check it out? Okay. Let's see. Oh, some broken ones too. Broken ones. Oh, I'm gonna put the broken pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we did good. 5, 6. Whoa. I really didn't feel all of them. I thought it was probably about 5. We actually guessed the right number. It's 6. So we're going to use the number 6 to take apart and put together some. But when we think about the number 6, do you think we could go backwards to 1? Do you think we could go backwards so we can find out all the numbers that are part of 6? Okay, so if I have 1 less than 6, what would I have? That's right, I would have a 5. Let's make a 5. Short neck, big belly, hat on the top. Short neck, big belly, hat on the top. Okay, if I have 5, and then I have 1 less than 5, what would 1 less than 5 be? That's right, 4. We make 4s like this. L, down. L, down. Okay, and then if I had 1 less than 4, it would be 3. That's around the tree, around the tree. That's the way we make our 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. That's right, 1 less than 3 is 2, around the track and back. And then 1 less than 2 is 1, okay? So we're starting at 6 because that's how many Pop-Tarts we had in our little baggie. We're gonna start with 6. And we've learned from our other lessons that all of these numbers are a part of 6. All of those numbers are a part of 6. So are you ready? Let's take all of our 6. We're not gonna wanna eat these because they've been on this nasty board. Okay, we have 6 and we're gonna take it apart. And just like we took it apart on our little fun plate, we can do that here, okay? So we're gonna let's take the number 1. We'll take it over here and we'll take the rest of them over here. So what do we have? We have, how many is over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. 1, and 5 is 6. So I could say 1 plus 5 equals 6. Let me scoot that over some. See it? 1 plus 5 equals 6. All right, good. Let's see, let's put them back together. 1 and 5 is 6. Now let's take a different number apart. Let's take 2 to see if it's a part of 6. 1, 2. Okay, we still got some more to go to make 6. Let's take these over here. So what is this? That's right, we have 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are a part of 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. All right, let's put them back together. We're gonna squish 2 and 4 back together. 2 and 4 is 6. There we go. All right, ready? Let's take our next number, 3. Move it down here. We got 3. And I'll take the rest. Oh, this is like a double. This is like twins. They're alike, right? Because what's this number? 3. And what is this number? 3. It's the same. They are equal. They're the same number. So I know that 3 and 3 is, that's right, 3 plus 3 is 6. So I can write that over here. I like when there's a double. Double trouble. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, I can take the next number. Is 4 a part of 6? You betcha. 4 and 2. So we have 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 and 2 is 6. All right, and then let's take our other one. What do we got? 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Because 5 is a really big part of 6, right? We have 5. We only need 1 more to make 6. Good job. We also know that 6 and 0, right, is 6. So I wanted you to look at this real quick. If you're looking at our numbers, some of these were about the same. Look at this one. 1 plus 5 equals 6. That was 1 and 5. And then down here, there was 5 plus 1 equals 6. They were just switching. They were on different sides. But 1 and 5 or 5 and 1 still is 6. Good job. Okay. Now are you ready for a little problem? All right, I'm gonna let Mabel get on in this because Mabel, even though she loves phonics, she loves snacks more. Okay, so if Mabel had 6 Pop-Tarts, but she ate 3, how many Pop-Tarts would we have left? If Mabel had 6 Pop-Tarts and she ate 3, how many would she have left? All right, let's see. How many Pop-Tarts do we have? 6. And how many did Mabel eat? 1, 2, 3. So Mabel ate 3. How many Pop-Tarts are left? Is that what you got? You want me to show you how you can draw that out? Mabel had 6 Pop-Tarts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Pop-Tarts. And she ate 3. 1, 2, 3. Mabel had 3 Pop-Tarts left. Good job, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to teach you another little game you can play with what number is hiding. With what number is hiding. And so today I'm going to just use my pennies again. And I'm gonna use my empty snack bag because I'm not gonna really put these back in here because Mabel's gonna eat them and I'm gonna eat them. And so we're gonna use some coins today. And we're gonna use, we can use 6 since that's the number Mabel of treats she had. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna use 6 and we're gonna put 6 back in here. We're gonna pretend these are the cookies. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here's how you play with your friend. You can play this with your mom, your dad, anybody at your house that you wanna play how many are hiding or guess how many's left. Get your snack bag, and you have to tell them how many is supposed to be in here. And we know that we're supposed to have how many? 6, all right? So this is what you do. You reach your little hands in there, and you grab a little bit, or grab a lot, grab however many you want to grab. And then you pull it out, and you say, oh, how many are hiding? How many cookies do I have in the bag? Okay, guys, take a guess. If I have 1, how many more do I have in the bag if I need 6? All right, some of you said 5. Do you want to check to see? Let's dump it out and check. You got to be the teacher and you got to check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 1 is 6. Good job. Okay, so today, then you can put it back in and you can pull out a different number and you can keep playing with 6. You can make the number whatever you would like, but if you want to play along with Mabel, today's number is 6, okay? And you can just use any bag. You don't have to use this if you have a little lunch bag or if you have a some kind of bag that you can't see through. You could use that bag to play this game. Have fun.